Light to guide us, courage to support us, and love to unite us. In these simple but stirring words lies the essence of the spirit of CNAID, the oldest and most distinguished women's college of Pakistan. It is an institution of learning where a unique and productive blend of education and value has continued to flourish for 95 years. From its inception in 1913, CNAID College emerged as the avant-garde of female education that steadily evolved into a preeminent institution, well equipped to meet the educational challenges of the 21st century. Today, it stands tall as the first-choice destination of aspiring students and faculty. CNAID has a lot of things to its credit: its education, its grandeur, its alumni, and its building. Situated at Jail Road, Lahore, it has seen an era and given birth to the future prospect of Pakistan. CNAID building is a symbol of its splendor, and its ambience is a testimony of its legacy, which gives serenity and tranquility to its students. Its academic building contains classrooms, a large library, reading rooms and offices. It has a spacious new postgraduate block. The Mira Falbus Center, which is also called the New Hostel, gives a break to students to feel at home while away from home. The Perrin Boga Amphitheatre has held so many concerts and events and provided CNAID with the opportunity to get entertained. The administrative block gives a welcoming experience to its visitors. Talking about Ameltis Court, it is a newly built structure which has provided students with a video conferencing room and other facilities. Coming back to the institutional legacy, CNAID students do not have to trace far back to derive pride from their seniors. They have some famous alumni to look up to, like Asma Jahangir, Nasra Iqbal, Bano Qudsiya, Faryal Gohar, Hadika Kiani, and Vaniza Ahmed, who are known to be an asset of our country. Even now, CNAID students are proud of its alma mater.
I think it's beautiful. I think it's amazing. The activities, the fun, the surrounding, the building. It signifies so much love and so much spirit and so much energy. And I think it's the best thing that ever happened to me.
It is basically a good thing that you're studying in CNAID, because whenever you go out, you represent your college and you're recognized by people that, yeah, you know, that is a KCite, and you know, you get a recognition in your future. Future में आपको ये बहुत चीज़ help करती है. You are actually studying from a prestigious university, and that will help you in your future, and you're well recognized.
Where CNAID students feel proud of their avant-garde, its faculty also feel honored to be a part of this institution. Director Sports Nausheen believes that CNAID is the best institution this country has.
CNAID is one of the best institutions the country has, because I think, number one, the age group which comes into CNAID is the one who is struggling with you. And so, you just channelize them and they'll give you the best.
CNAID produces women who are individuals in their own right. They quickly begin to display intelligence, competence, flexibility, maturity and a sense of responsibility, both to their academic pursuits and in their overall personality development. Vice Principal Dr. Nikhit Khan explains what makes this transition possible.
CNAID's developments in one is the overall personality. It gives young women strength and confidence to face them. And that is what is special about it.
Today, CNAID ranks as the country's premier institution for education, where over 3,300 students are enrolled at present. But nothing is perfect. Where some of its students feel proud, some media students feel that they are not being given opportunities to represent themselves outside college.
When it comes to practical knowledge, so it differs from person to person. यहाँ पर theoretical ज़्यादा है, practical इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है जितना होना चाहिए. Being a media studies student, I myself am studying in semester 6. I don't know how to make documentaries because अभी तक सिखाया ही नहीं गया.
CNAID is a very good institution on inter and bachelor's level. I guess studies on inter level is more good as compared to bachelor's. Teachers are faculty is very good, but practical work थोड़ा यहाँ पर कम है.
प्रैक्टिकल वर्क में नहीं कराते हैं, उसकी वजह से मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स को ये बात फेस करनी पड़ती है कि जब वो अपनी प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड में जाते हैं तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती है, क्योंकि उनको ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस किया होता है और थियरीज के अंदर ही किया होता है. इंटरव्यू में तो वो पास हो जाते हैं, लेकिन बाद में फिर बहुत ज़्यादा
On the other hand, Vice Principal of Kinnaid, Dr. Nikat Khan, shunned the allegation made by the students.
I think the media girls should not complain. This is the college which started one of the best programs in media science. We have always been, that is the difference between us and anywhere else, is that we have a lot of practical work and we do all that. These days we are very careful about sending girls outside because of the law, order, or let's say terrorism situation. So we are being very careful, but we have never stopped girls.
No matter what, Kinnaid is always on the front to represent itself and mark its name in various fields, such as sports. No channel has ever lagged behind in covering the Sports Day of Kinnaid. It is a much-awaited event for KCItes. Director Sports Nausheen believes the Sports of Kinnaid is the best in Pakistan.
The Sports of Kinnaid stands among the best colleges in Pakistan. Our students are international. 3 of our students are at the moment are playing in the Pakistan women's cricket team. They are only 11 from the whole country.
Kinnaid has made its mark in every game, especially in cricket.
किनेड जो है इस वक्त स्पोर्ट्स यहाँ पर 5-6 जो है लीडिंग स्पोर्ट्स हैं, इसमें क्रिकेट, हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल, लॉन टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, टेबल टेनिस, ये सारी स्पोर्ट्स होती हैं। लेकिन क्रिकेट जो है वो सब लीडिंग है, मतलब पूरे लाहौर में, पूरे रीजन में किनेड ऐसे एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहाँ पे थ्रू आउट द ईयर हमारी प्रैक्टिस चलती रहती है।
Sportswomen of Kinnaid continue to make major contributions to the sport of Pakistan and to many national events, where they tend to excel by virtue of the special grounding at Kinnaid.
Some of our players are playing in Pakistan team as well, and they're playing internationally, so I think it does matter.
In the face of declining education and disciplinary standards that have unfortunately characterized our country, the responsibility of maintaining standards of excellence has fallen on Kinnaid. But it has met this challenge with its customary zeal and spirit.